Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix dual boot option not showing or missing in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate to your button search bar, and here you need to type for advanced system. The moment you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear in our screen. Once the best match would appear, which is View Advanced System Settings under Control Panel would appear, click on Open to continue, and wait until a new window would appear here in our screen. Okay, so a new window which is System Properties would show. Just have to go with the third section where you can see Startup and Recovery, where you can go with System Startup, System Failure, and Debugging Information. Now click on Settings to see more of this, and here you'd be able to open the startup and recovery window where you can see system startup and the default operating system, which are the default operating system present in your Windows R computer. Okay, so here you need to mark this checked, okay, which is time to display list of operating systems, and you need to click this down arrow to adjust this into 0. And once you have set it to 0, proceed by clicking the upper arrow and proceed into setting it into 10 seconds. Okay. So once the 10 seconds is being set, click on OK. The moment you have the click on it, click on OK once again and restart your computer. Now there is a need to restart your computer in order to check if your dual boot option is now appearing in your Windows or computer. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.